Hello friends, have you ever wondered when you go to Amazon or Flipkart or any other e-commerce website and you search any article and you find out that the background of the images of this article is always white. Why is it so? Because this is the minimum requirement for any image to be uploaded. So if you wish to sell anything through these portals, then you have to learn how to remove the background of these images. So let us try to learn that. So here is an image. You can see this is an image of a boy, and let us try to remove the background of this image. So first right click and then open this with Paint 3D. This Paint 3D application is available in Windows 10. By default it will be there, so you don't have to purchase this application. So click it and open this page in Paint 3D. Now after opening it, you have to select this Magic Select tool. So click on Magic Select tool and then adjust this frame. Adjust this frame, whatever you can adjust, and select that image which you wish to remove the background of, and then click next. And you can see that automatically this Magic Select tool has selected the image only. Now but it has selected certain extra portions also, or it might have not selected certain portions. So for that there is another tool is available here, add. So the portions which this selector has not selected, you can add it through this, and you can remove the extra selected portion by using the remove tool. So let us remove these extra portions. Here you can see, here also it is a extra. Don't have to do anything, just a click and the work will get done. And you can see how easily it can be done. I think this is good enough. Yes. So now after that, keep this autofill background ticked and then press done. And now you can see this image is now a freely movable image. You can copy this image and paste it in a Word document, and paste it here. And you can see this background is completely removed. You can now do whatever you wish to. You can shrink this image, you can stretch this image, whatever you wish to do with this image, you can do it here. Second thing is, now let us say you wish to save this image for future use. So for saving that image portion only and without this background, you have to go to Canvas and you have to switch off this show canvas. Once you switch it off, you can see the background is converted to gray color. And now you can go to menu and save as image. In this save as image, you need to take care that you should save it as PNG file. If you save it in any other version, then this background gray color will also come. Gray color background will also come, but if you save it in PNG, then this background will not come. So select PNG and then click this transparency. This is important, otherwise also the background will come. So once you click the transparency and then save it, I'll give it a name, test pic. Save. And now you can see here is my image. You can see automatically, you can see the background is not there in this. I can simply copy it and then again paste it anywhere and the background will not be there. So I hope this will be a very useful tool for you, and thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe.